Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Misati Smiles. Today we're going to learn about this eyeshadow tutorial, as you already seen on the title. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up, share your comments down below if you're gonna try it, and let me know how you like it, guys. For the new subscribers, thank you guys, thank you, and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share it with your friends and family. Let's lay together, and yeah, I love you guys. Let's get straight into this video.
We start by priming our lids. Priming the lid is important because it creates a good base for our eyeshadow and makes the eyeshadow to pop. So you can either use a concealer to prime your lids or a foundation that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Mimi, in my case, I decided to use this jumbo pencil from NYX Professional Makeup. I wanted my eyeshadow to pop because I was using neutral colors. So guys, I'm just blending everything out to ensure that everything is clean, just the way I want it. Yes. So here guys, you're going to use a tape. Yeah, the reason why I'm having that face is because this tape is so big. It's too big, guys, but we just have to use it. Unajua, it is what it is. You use what is available. So we're going to place it where I've placed it. I don't know how I'll explain that, but we're just going to place it exactly where I've placed it. For our eyeshadow today, we are going to use the Cara palette, and we are going in with that brown shade. Just tap the eyeshadow on. You tap the place where we are placing the eyeshadow is called the outer crease. So you're just going to place shadow on you tap as you find your way in towards the inner crease. Are you getting? So we tap, just slow and controlled. We also work in circular motion, slowly as we work our way into the inner crease. Yes. Just take your time with blending, guys. Hakuna pressure. We are not in a hurry. We ain't running. So what I want to do is I want to clean what we've just done. So I'm going in with a lighter shade, a transitioning shade. Exactly, it's called a transitioning shade. And I'm going to place it right above where I placed our first darker shade. And I'm just going in with circular motion as I work myself in towards the crease. Just blend. Take your time with blending and blend. So we are going to pack the first shade that we used right below. Just pack and tap. Just tap. Kidogo product. Just choose little product and pack as you add more product till you get satisfied. Also guys, you can check my other video and see how I achieved that bomb hair. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share it with your friends and family, and let's lay together. So we're going to cut our crease, and the hack is you use the concealer, roll your eyes, you put the concealer on your eyelid, then you look up so that it can form that straight line. You see that line? Yeah, you just add more concealer if it's not showing clearly, and you look up, it will form a line. So follow that line and make sure it's as neat as you possibly can. Make sure it's straight. So today I was going in with a high cut crease because my lashes are dramatic and I needed to add drama to my eyes as well, you know. Try as much as possible to have a steady hand and make that line as clean as you possibly can. Yeah, there you go. Guys, you see this eye is higher, the crease is higher than the other one, so I'm just going to correct that just quickly. You see, so guys, you can make mistakes, but the key is, are you able to correct the mistakes? You see, makeup is a process, makeup is a long process, and you just need to take time, believe in yourself, and do it. You got this, baby girl. You got this. So I'm just blending. Substitutioning shade that we had used, blend everything out. It's as easy as you can see, guys. Just practice. You see how clean that cut crease is. So we're going in with this palette. I got this palette from Du Bois. It's a Mutu palette. It doesn't even have a name, but I love the shades. It's very pigmented. So we're going in with that pinkish shade. It's a shimmer shade, and you're just placing that on top. You're just tapping it on top. You see, just slowly tap it on top. Do not drag the eyeshadow, just tap it. Yeah, just like that. Just tap it as you add more product, as you work your way in towards the inner corner. For the inner corner, we're going to use a brighter pink, a brighter shimmer color. Is that pink, guys? Yeah, that color. You see, it's lighter than the one we had used previously. You can also use your hands to pack that shadow. Just place it there, just like that. I went in with the tip of my concealer just to make sure that everything was smooth and perfect. And we're blending again, guys, to make sure that everything is well blended, everything is seamless, there's no harsh lines. I forgot to tell you that the other advantage of using a tape is that your eyeshadow will be clean, then it will be easy for you to draw your wing liner. If you're still struggling with the wing, you see how easy it is. You just draw a straight line, then you join it to the other. I'm using Gabrini Deep Liner Black Eyeliner. Just draw a straight line and work your way towards the inner corner. You can make your wing as thick as you want it. I wanted a dramatic wing eye. I don't know whether it's only me, but I like using my mirror very close to my face. You see how close it is? Like, I place my mirror close to my face as I use it. That's how it just works for me. I find it easier to use it that way. Yeah, just look at that. See how clean that looks? Yes, that's what I'm talking about, honey. Yes. So I'm coming back with my lashes on. There we go. Our lashes are on. For the waterline, we are going to use the thick black Davis eye pencil, and you're going to just apply that on the waterline. I'm going to use the first shade I used just to clean my lower lash line. And there we go. This look was bomb. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can get new videos when I post. Share the link with your friends and family. Comment down below what you're struggling with when it comes to eyeshadow application, and let's help each other. That marks the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and learned from the tutorial. Thank you for everyone who subscribed to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy the videos that I'm about to post. And yeah, bye. See you in my next video, friends.